Hi, I'm John. Welcome back to N-Scale Friday. Today we have a model from Atlas to look at, so let's head over to the workbench. Okay, so here's what we're looking at today. This is a center cupola caboose in N-Scale, obviously. This is produced by Atlas. This one's decorated for Alaska Railroad. And on the Atlas website, they have about 8 different models, including an undecorated version. The undecorated version goes for $19.95, and the decorated versions, like this one, go for $27.95. They also have a specially decorated one for Operation Lifesaver that goes for $34.95. These are manufacturer suggested retail prices, so if you shop around, you'll probably find it for less. Your best bet is to go to the website and see if they have the one or the ones you're looking for. The paint on this model covers it very well, and it's thin enough that it doesn't obscure any details. Like, look at all the nice rivet detail on this model. The logo is also nicely done. It's very crisp, and the separation lines between the black and yellow are very clean, even including this little pinstripe that goes along sort of the bottom third of the model. Very crisp. On a caboose like this, there isn't really a brake end per se because you have brake wheels on both ends of the model. So I'm just going to show you this without commenting on what side it is, because I don't really know. I would consider this the front because I like to think that the smoke jack should be behind the cupola, which was over here, which would make this the back. So, but you can see that this end detail is a separately applied piece, and it might be easier to tell from this angle that the model comes with window glazing. And you can see it on the top and on the side here. Looking at the other side of the model, you can see that the paint is also really good on this side as well. Something else that's kind of cool is it has these little visors over the, or awnings, I guess, over the windows. It's kind of a neat little touch there. Molded detail. Also from this side, you can see that the smoke jack is a separately applied piece. You can also tell from this end that the end detail here is separately applied. It makes it so that it's easier to be thin and not terribly chunky, because if that had been molded detail, it would have to be a lot thicker than that. A brief look at the roof detail shows molded platform and walkway detail. It looks really good though. I mean, this almost looks like photo etched detail, but it's not. It's definitely molded. But like I said, it looks really good. And here's a brief look at the bottom or underside detail. You can see that it has different stuff showing from the side. So in other words, if you're looking from a side view as it rolls down the track on this side, you'd see 2 things like this. And on this side, you'd see the one, but not this over here. So it is unique depending which side you're looking at. Something else to mention, and it's clearer now that you can see it from the bottom, is that it has body-mounted couplers. Okay, now we'll weigh the model. It comes in at 0.6 of an ounce. This should weigh just over 0.8 of an ounce. So you might want to add just a little bit if you're going for the NMRA recommended weight on this model. This is another cool caboose from Atlas, and I think most modelers of the Alaskan Railway will be happy to have this on their layout. It has a lot of good little details, especially for a Trainman series model. Good job, Atlas. We'll see you next time.